We understand that being a window tinter and running a business simultaneously can be daunting. Sometimes you're in the middle of tinting windows and the phone rings nonstop, customers asking for quotes or looking to book you in. Being a one-person show can be a bit stressful, and sometimes you may not be able to keep track of everything. Tint Bolt by S3 Tint is the solution for you. With our done-for-you web application, Tint Bolt helps with the tedious administrative work to help keep your business running smoothly. With Square integration, your customers can book their appointments straight from your website. You'll get a notification from S3 Tint when your customer secures their spot. With our admin interface, you'll be able to send your customers their warranty certificate via text message and email while keeping their records in your back office so you never lose track of the customers you've done service for. You can always upload images of your work in our back office, which instantly uploads to your website. As a Tint Bolt customer, you'll get free updates, free hosting, and database maintenance, taking the managing part off of your hands while you can do what you love to do. Try us for free for a limited time.